Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to do a close-up review of the 3X bands and what we're offering, which you can find at the website here. Okay, so a few of you have bought the bands already and you're taking it home, and I'm seeing the videos to come back. Thank you very much for your support. It's early stages, but again, some good feedback here. And so what we have in terms of the bands, what we've actually done is quite unique. It's a unique self-guiding home workout system. So what we've done is actually printed out 33 common resistant band movements on the bands and had them in consecutive order, so that all you have to do is take the bands, it's printed on both sides, and you can do a full range of movements for upper body, lower body, core and back, and also for a total body workout. Okay, so what these bands, for the 4 bands that we have, all the thicknesses, you have a very special replacement for your circuit training. If you can't go to the gym, or if you don't want to buy expensive dumbbells, or you don't have space for it, these are less than 1 kilogram, so 800 grams for the full set. And what we're offering now for the full set, it comes with a free bag that's got all the movements, 33 movements printed on, as well as a guide to also remind you. We're learning anything, you've got to have a process where you have to learn, and having the photos and pictures and images makes you remember, so that you can use these bands effectively. Also, we have your door anchor. This is such an important item, especially when you're a hotel or your home and you've got a small room, private home, and all you need is a door, so you can have it for, place it between the door and the frame, and for the middle, upper and the lower section of the doors, you can anchor your bands, to hoop the bands through to do the different exercises. Without this, some of these exercises you just cannot do. So definitely, it's a free band. It comes with the sets that you buy. So some people have bought the bands and they've gone around playing, they're trying to do something, and it's like, and I'm just laughing. It's like, that's completely not what you use it for. But that's a learning process. So next time we're going to make some adjustments and label it. Also, we've come, the set is 6 workout cards. So what, to make the workouts more fun, I put in 6 different workouts. Each workout is about 20 to 25 minutes, concentrating on upper, lower, core, and back, and total body, which, as I said, we have QR codes. Just use your iPhone and your Android phone, scan the QR codes, and you'll jump to the videos to explain how to do the moves. Okay, so each move is a set. So what you do, if you want to do one set, 20 minutes, you pick one. You can also randomly grab 2 for today's workout, 1 and 5. You do a 1 and 5. What was 1 and 5? Upper and lower body. Okay, so 1 of each, and that'd be about 40-45 minutes session, and that's a good circuit training for you. But obviously, if you're more regimented, you want to do upper one day, arms and legs and all that, that's also suitable for that. Okay, so hopefully this is an initial guide. That's enough for now. And next few videos, I'll also go through each of the 33 moves on the bands, and we can follow it through, and hopefully you can follow along and enjoy the bands that you've got. Okay, thanks. Peace out.